Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee for business. First, decide on your business model, whether it's a cozy cafe, a bustling mobile cart, or an efficient online shop. Next, craft a solid business plan to guide your journey, detailing your vision and operational strategies. Don't forget to secure all essential permits and licenses to ensure smooth legal operations. Finally, invest wisely in top-tier coffee equipment, like a reliable espresso machine, to guarantee excellent beverages. To truly excel, focus on sourcing premium coffee beans from trusted suppliers. Explore options like fair trade or organic certifications to appeal to a broader customer base and support ethical practices. Always ensure you have a consistent supply of fresh milk and high-quality syrups to craft diverse and delicious drinks. Implementing strict quality control for every ingredient you receive is crucial for maintaining your brand's reputation and customer satisfaction. Mastering coffee preparation is key to a thriving business. Begin by thoroughly training your staff on proper brewing techniques for various coffee methods. Ensure a consistent grind size for different coffee types, from espresso to pour-over, to achieve the best flavor. Calibrate your espresso machines daily for optimal extraction, guaranteeing rich, balanced shots. Always follow precise recipes for all specialty coffee drinks, ensuring every cup is consistently delicious for your customers. Enhancing the customer experience is vital for business growth. Provide excellent customer service, fostering a friendly and welcoming atmosphere that encourages repeat visits. Design a comfortable and inviting space where patrons can relax and enjoy their coffee. Consider implementing a loyalty program to reward your frequent customers, building strong relationships. Finally, actively gather customer feedback to continuously improve your offerings and ensure your business truly stands out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.